Hi everybody, this is David Marsh. Today is September 30th, 2011, and this is the weekly video update. We had a very good week, made a lot of money this week, had very few losers. In fact, I'm doing this video Friday at about 9:40 in the morning. We're already done for the day. Guys, that's the way to trade. That's the way to make living day trading the futures markets, okay? Not downing a system out there that trades all day. Hey, if that's what you like to do, that's cool if it's working for you. I've done that, but I like to get done early. I like to get in there, make some money, leave for the day. That's trading for income. Does it happen every day? Of course not. Do we win every trade? Of course not. Okay, but the keys to my system are recovering from losers. Okay, in any event, I would like to invite you all to a webinar Tuesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll go over these charts again, showing you the week in review. Of course, we'll show you Monday and Tuesday as well. And then I like to show other markets, how you can take Pro Indicator version 2 and apply it to the Dow Minis or the NASDAQ, and how versatile this program really is with not just the E-mini S&P, but other markets as well. All right, so let's go to Monday, September 26th. Trade 1, first trade out of no zone, high probability trade. It lost. Okay, we had to reverse. We recovered 9 ticks. We lost 7. We're up 2. Trade 3, quick 4-tick pullback trade. Another NSE right there for a quick 6 ticks following the conviction up. We're done by 9:45 in the morning. Okay, Tuesday. 2 points, 5-minute day. This was, I think this was our quickest day. We'd made a quick one and done there. And then I decided to take the next trade down, and because we're capitalizing on the volatility. We've been volatile for the last 2 months, right? Normally we'd stop right there, and if a student did just that, there'd be nothing wrong with that. He's trading for income, right? Whether you're trading 10 contracts or 50 contracts. I've got students trading 50, 60 contracts, right? That's good money right there. Okay, you do the math. 50 bucks per point times 10 contracts, 500 bucks profit every 10 contracts you're trading. Not bad scratch for working just a few minutes a day, right? Anyways, with the increased volatility, we're trying to get a couple points a day, sometimes more than that, and we're doing it quite easily. So another 2-point plus winner here, and you can see I cut the screen off when I was done here, 9:35, and so I really don't know what happened afterwards. But in any event, we had a very nice 2-point day within 5 minutes. Now Wednesday, okay, one and done is what I had. I had the EET trade. It's a long trade. Here's the stop loss. Went against me, almost stopped me out, turned around, made a winning trade. Now the EET is an aggressive trade. It's one of my favorite trades, but it's an aggressive. And some students don't like it. They say, well, I'm just going to take the normal system entries because an EET gets you in before an NSE happens. So you see where this big spike up is? This is a faster chart, faster tick chart. Well, over here, it formed the NSE. Some waited for the NSE. So if you took the NSE, well, you had a losing trade. Okay? Then the rest of the trades were all winners. We had a short, good recovery trade then because you were in a negative position. You had to recover, right? You had a winner, pullback winner, another pullback winner, long NSE winner, another pullback winner. So even if you grabbed this trade and lost, maybe 6 ticks, 7 ticks, you had the opportunity to recover it all and still make 2-3 points. All right, or you could have, maybe you got this trade, then you could have continued on as well. So, all right, let's go on to September 29th. We had a 6-tick NSE, and few more good winners right here. NSE short, a pullback winner, long NSE, another pullback winner. Just guys, we're just rocking and rolling. The last 2 months have just been incredible. Now, we don't get one and dones every day, okay? And even when the volatility is not as quick as it is right now, we're still having good trading days, and we still have 80 to 90% of our days are done within 30 minutes anyways. But again, with the big increase in volatility, and I believe this volatility is going to remain for quite some time due to all the uncertainties globally. All right, we've just got plenty of opportunity to grab more points, more money in the first 30 minutes of the day. So let's look at today. An SC out of no zone. I rode this up for a quick 2 points. Now remember, we move our stop loss to break even after 4 ticks. So I entered right here, And once it moved up 4 ticks, I take my stop loss to break even, and I look for conviction. And we have straight conviction here. I have my dome set for an 8 tick target. And had I been a little faster here on the spike bar, I could have drug the exit up to 3 points and had it. Just wasn't fast enough. One of my students got about 4 points off this, but I grabbed 2 points off this, which is great. Said, you know what? It's Friday, 9:41 in the morning. I'm done. Let me get the weekly video update up. Get you guys squared away, invite you to the webinar, and we're ready for the weekend. So enjoy your weekend. I hope your trading week was just as good. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me, David at eminitradingstrategies.com.